Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to collaborate with others or access your spreadsheets from anywhere with an internet connection. Let's get started with this simple process. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want your converted spreadsheet to be stored. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Google Workspace dashboard. Now, you'll need to open Google Sheets. You can do this by clicking on the Sheets icon or simply opening any existing spreadsheet. Once you're inside a Google Sheet, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the menu options. Click on File, which will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your spreadsheet. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Import. This is the feature that allows you to bring external files into Google Sheets, including Excel files. A new window will pop up presenting you with several ways to import your file. In this import window, you'll see different tabs at the top. Click on the Upload tab since we're bringing in a file from your computer. This tab is specifically designed for files stored on your local device. Once you're in the Upload section, click on the Browse button. This will open your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Now it's time to find your Excel file. Browse through your computer's folders and locate the Excel file you want to convert. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then confirm your selection. The file will begin uploading to Google Sheets. Depending on the size of your Excel file, this might take a few moments, so be patient while the upload completes. Once the upload is finished, you'll be presented with important choices regarding the import location. Google Sheets gives you three options here. You can choose Create New Spreadsheet, which opens the Excel file as a brand new Google Sheet. Alternatively, you can select Insert New Sheet, which adds the Excel data as a new tab in your current spreadsheet. The third option is Replace Spreadsheet, which overwrites the current sheet with your Excel data. Choose the option that best fits your needs based on how you want to organize your data. After making your selection, click on Import Data to finalize the conversion. Google Sheets will process your Excel file and convert it into its native format. And just like that, your Excel file is now a fully functional Google Sheet ready for collaboration and cloud-based editing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.